Hi, I'm Jessica Lowry, and welcome to my Module 2 Part 2 practice assignment. For this assignment, I will be taking a STEM activity and connecting it to a STEM career. Mine is called Water Rescue. Students will create a device to be used with a Sphero robot to rescue a floating object. When thinking about this assignment, I immediately thought of a 5th grade science activity that could be used with the robots to create lifeboats for a buoyancy lesson. This specific activity was not originally connected to a STEM career, and having just been at the beach, I thought of how robots could be used to save lives. This activity connects to any search and rescue in the water, such as the U.S. Coast Guard or even lifeguards. It definitely uses science, technology, engineering, and math. For identifying the problem, I will be introducing this to the students as how can we help the U.S. Coast Guard. They're constantly putting their lives on the line, so let's see what we can do to help them out. For this activity, students will be challenged to design a device that can be used with the Sphero robot to rescue a floating Lego person. They will also have to use their prior knowledge of the science lesson that deals with buoyancy. Explore. Students will be exploring different rescue missions, such as lifeguard rescue missions or U.S. Coast Guard rescue missions. And they'll also see how time is critical to a life-saving mission. They'll just be exploring different mechanical devices that are used in business and engineering, and they'll be doing a lot of hands-on activities with buoyancy to see what floats, what doesn't float, explore their home items to see what they could use to create this device. Here is a picture of items that I found around the house to create this project. Here are pictures of the buoyancy lesson, seeing what floats and what does not float. For the design, they're going to be designing this using pencil and paper, the steps, drawing it out, what's it going to look like, and then they are going to take that and create it. They're going to create the design that they've come up with as a group. They may have to revisit this step multiple times throughout the lesson until it is successful. And then here are pictures of my design process with the create. Just cutting out cardboard, drawing a circle for the robot to fit in, cutting that out, duct taping it so the cardboard doesn't get wet, attaching the flotation device, and attaching something so Sphero will not fall out of the device. Then the engineering design process, students are actually going to try it out. They're going to put their device in a tub of water and see how it works. Then to make it better, students will be following these questions as a guide to make it better. And as you can see, the video to the right is my design rescuing a Lego person and carrying it back to its start position. Then when reviewing the STEM practices chart, it definitely uses science, engineering, technology, and mathematics throughout the entire project. They're using science to develop and use models, plan and carry out investigations, see what works and doesn't work, define the problems, and then design the solutions. Recognize the role that technology plays in the advancement of science and engineering. And mathematics, use appropriate tools strategically and attend to precision. And that is my project. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.